What an interesting guy. Say for this is wow. That's it. That's sold. I was sold.
It comes in multiple different forms in designs basically. Developed and engineered by scientists from Germany and Italy. What's up?
Hello, sir. Sorry, so late.
No
Yeah.
worries, man.
Hi.
ऑफिस में कोई सैटरडे ऑफ नहीं है.
We set up the space in 7 days, bro.
हाँ.
So the bare shell, we had to do it.
Okay.
Contractor को बुलाया, बोला 5 कैबिन लगाओ, बस फ्लोरिंग लगाओ, खत्म करो काम.
हाँ.
तो from there to now,
मतलब मेरे पास दो niches हैं. One is the Avastra वाला thing that we do it. You know the basic of it. Avastra का focus क्या है?
Yes.
25 and under थोड़ा सा founder focus more than the startup focus. Everyone's talking about the business side of things. I'm talking about the founder side of things. That is Avastra वाला part. Very simple. कि Zoom में आप सब लोग इकट्ठे होते हो. इसमें you can have an interaction one on one. Or just someone, one more person can get added on. If they walk close to you, you get, bubble in which you can have an interaction. So
what's the agenda?
Yeah, agenda, I'll tell you what. देखो दो चीजें हैं. First of all, if you've seen, you're well off in the founder community, जानते हो लोगों को. अभी if you see यार, एक ना batch बन चुका है. 28, 29, 30, 31. These like I would say most of the the new founders or the young founders are in that batch. I want to create a batch for them. There are going to be topics कि इस हफ्ते का इस वीक का ये टॉपिक है जिसके बारे में हम बात कर रहे हैं. आपको ये वाली कॉन्वर्सेशन ज्वाइन करनी है. Awesome. नहीं, go out network. 15 other people, move away network. It's as simple as that.
What the video?
This
It's
video
for
is
YouTube.
going. It's for YouTube. It's going to go on two of Venky's channels.
What are you filming right now? Day in a life.
Day in a life नहीं है यार. मेरा built-in public है. 24/7 का कैमरा is there with me. 24/7 जो हो रहा है जैसा हो रहा है.
मेरे को उठा के बोलते चल रहा है साहब. Living in that social economy, bro. That
Content is the game.
Content is currency, no? Content is currency. Social engagement is currency, no? Because you can literally liquidate it and make cash off it.
That's it.
Founders as an umbrella has become so ambiguous, bro. सब लोग एक कोई कॉलेज में साइड में बिजनेस कर रहा है, कहीं से उठा के कहीं पे बेच रहा है, इंस्टाग्राम पे मंथली 50,000 की सेल है. डेफिनेटली देयर फाउंडर, नो अंडरमाइनिंग
मैं
देयर.
बताऊं, yes true. मैं but उसको बिजनेस ओनर बोलता हूँ. For me it's very simple. If one rule for you to be a founder is you should be disrupting an industry. Disruption नहीं है वो. Disruption क्या है? Uber नहीं की disruption. हम लोग ट्राई कर रहे हो disruption.
हाँ ठीक है, करेक्ट. So founders could also be who are working in a highly commoditized space. कोई
Sure.
आटा बेच रहा है,
Sure.
वो आटा ही बेच रहे हैं लेकिन बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग तरीके से बेच रहे हैं.
Definitely,
ठीक है.
yes.
हम देखते हैं आजकल लोग होल ट्रूथ फॉर एग्जांपल, क्रेजी गाय.
Yes.
He is selling protein bars and whey protein and whatnot, but marketing it in such a beautiful way.
Yes. So
He's a founder.
marketing is the disruption there. The industry.
Okay. And then I'm on the same lines with you. Correct.
Because this is, I would say, a very easy rule to put upon any one category or any one person and figure out if they're a founder or not. According to
and have
अभी देखो कितना content हमारा shoot हो रहा है. अभी we go around, we have a small tool while talking about random shit, and if something hits, it hits. If it does not, it's just a diary, you would say.
true.
Straight no. Wow.
We've got over 800 plants here. That makes sure the AQI in this entire space is always under 50. Kitchen you're seeing is built in stone, and on the ceiling you're seeing a sunroof. So traditionally kitchens are made in wood, right? So Magpie is the first company in the world, they've got global patents on this, to build it in stone from inside out. So from inside to outside to top to back, it's fully built in stone. What you're seeing on the ceiling is a sunroof. Sunroof is the world's first lighting technology that changes colors and brightness according to the day outside. So whatever is happening outside essentially happens inside as well. It comes in multiple different forms in designs basically. Also the sunroof, it's set to an evening mode right now. But in the daytime,
Yeah, honestly, yes, sold. I was sold.
that's how it will be in the daytime. And it automatically changes throughout the day, right? So in the morning it's very dim, afternoon gets brighter, evening again it becomes dimmer like it was before.
And then there is a set timer also. So like we don't have to physically.
You don't,
change.
it happens automatically. I'm doing it physically because I have the remote here, but it happens automatically.
The only issue that I had, I was like, यार इतनी बड़ी LED है, it will heat up. And that guy was like, यार ये touch करो. I was like, चलो ठीक है, पीछे LED होगी, थोड़ा दूर रखा होगा. He's like, नहीं यही LED है. And I was like, what?
Correct. So we've got very advanced heat sinks. This is entirely built in aluminium, so which is the best conductor of heat. And inside also we've got many heat sinks. So that helps the heat to transfer. Developed and engineered by our in-house scientists from Germany and Italy. Design team sitting here. We've got some meeting rooms on the sides. I've got a cabin here. So this is primarily where the entire Magpie team sits.
Yes.
So how was the whole studio?
Well, what a space, man. What an amazing space they have. Matlab, they have created this entire place into a studio, interior space, plus the entire sunroof integration and their office. Wow, what an office. Like, as simple as that. We are going to be having Ishat on a podcast really soon. What an interesting guy. So many insights he has. He's already part of this community, the founders community that I'm building.
The conversation we had was pretty insightful.
Right, so that is something that I think so you guys have already seen, and the podcast, which obviously is going to be way much longer and in depth, it's going to be a thing. The only thing that I have to say for this is wow, that's it, literally.